T minus 16 days and counting. All right, for those of you who've been following along, you heard, I've announced it a few times, that we are moving from our quote-unquote monster house to a 40-acre farm. And for those of you who have been around a minute or two, you know that this used to be my KISS, my podcasting, and my drum space. And as you can see now, it is full of moving boxes. And as we go down the hall, oh, say hi to Ophi, everybody. Say hi, Ophi. It's my dog, Ophi. As you can see, more and more of the house is filling up with boxes. So the move is on its way. We started taking some of the memorabilia off the walls, and that's my other dog, Dixie. Keeping you posted as the move continues, y'all. We're excited. It's gonna be fun. Berry Farms, yeah. We'll talk soon.